Hi to all from Fabrice and welcome to the final lesson about cybersecurity tutorial lesson 8 Java AES symmetric key algorithm. You can find this to the address as the other article that I have right for you. So we can go to start. It is a very brief lesson, is only source code of Java. Cybersecurity, and now we come to the final lesson. In other words, let's do the same as we have already seen in the previous lesson. EA, encryption and encryption key of AES algorithm. EA of asymmetric key. Along the line of the last lesson, we will therefore see how to create a symmetric key. So it is identical both to encrypt and decrypt, and then we will encode the text. Obviously, we will not return to the theoretical concept, for which we refer you the lesson of asymmetric key security. Symmetric key Java algorithm with AES. The first step will then to generate the key with AES algorithm and encode it in base 64. Then we have the following code. As you can see, you have generated the code from the encoding from the instance AES, that it is a library of Java, more a method. Well, as you can see, we used two predefined classes for encrypt from Java, which are keyGenerator and base64, and related methods. Once of this is done, we will have two. Now, let's say we want to encrypt a test message. We will have to call a cipher class for the test encryption, obviously, this time with the AES class, specifically AES/CBC/pcap64 padding. We will initialize it, we will encrypt the string, we will reduce the encrypted text into byte, and then we will send to screen all. And we do it from the class, as you have already seen on the other encryption, but it is the encipher. This time we use the method AES/CBC/PKG, we traduce all on byte, and we write the message. With the string message is equal to high proof message. I have not a great fantasy. Then we use the encipher to transform all on byte, and the class base64.getEncoder to crypt the message on the base64. In a completely analogous way to decrypt, we will have, so you can see the crypt and the decrypt on this way. And I show you with the image of Eclipse that it is the language that I have used for write this short code. On the left there is the code. On the right you can see the screen that with the result of the code. You can see when I have write all, you can see it on the console on the top of the right. The software used specifically is Eclipse. Personally, I continue to use it as a practice started programming with the language, but the latest version of Java NetBeans are also excellent. If you are looking for a Java compiler, there are some excellent ones online. I suggest you to try one called Java if you have a little PC. You can find the Java code on GitHub/5, and this is the code that you can reach it easily. Okay, for this lesson it is all. It's a very brief lesson. See you next time. Bye from Fabrice.